This 2022 Porsche 718 Cayman came in for our track pack paint protection film package. And this is the aventurine green version of the Cayman. Our track pack paint protection film covers the full hood, the full front bumper, full fenders, the mirror caps, A-pillars, roof line, and the rocker panels. And we wrap edges where possible, which is why it's difficult to see any seams. But of course, there's one right there on that edge, barely visible. And then we also added some extra coverage on the rear splash area for this one.